Okay, dear learners, very good morning, all of you. Assistant Professor Mahfouz, Department of English, Military College, Khulna. Now, today I'd like to give you the focus and few knowledge regarding the word building. I mean the few antonyms, which is very essential and exigency to communicate with the people. It is very helpful for you because with the Bengali people, it is very rare, very hard to memorize all the vocabularies. And for communication, for better communication with the foreign people, with the native speaker, like if you like to speak like a native speaker, you need to know the words more and more. But I don't say you will memorize, use stuffy all the words which is originated from the Oxford University and all which is written in Oxford Dictionary. I don't say, but few words we have to memorize to communicate with the people, to expose myself, to share my feelings. And just look at this on the whiteboard. This is called word building, and my topic is antonyms. Today I will give you few words and try my best to make you understand how to memorize these particular antonyms with the main words. Look at this. The first portion is the main word, and the second portion with the antonyms. I mean here the root word. Main word means the root word, and antonym of the root word. So look at this, the virtue. What is virtue? We know that the noble deeds, very good deed is called the virtue. And the antonyms will be the vice, sin, related with the sin. You can also say the vice oblique sin. Okay? And another is frugal. Frugal opposite prodigal. So make it procedure and rhetoric. Okay? Frugal, prodigal, virtue, vice. In Bangla it is called gun. Virtue ke amra gun boli. Ebong jodi opposite kono biporit shobdo boli, seta hocche ki vice, pap. Understand? অর্থাৎ অ্যান্টোনিম মানে হচ্ছে বিপরীত শব্দ। In Bangla it is called বিপরীত শব্দ। English it is called antonyms. Frugal, prodigal, যে ব্যক্তি হিসাব করে চলে তাকে বলা হয় frugal. She is a frugal lady. যে হিসাব করে চলে না তাকে বলা হয় prodigal. Try to memorize such way. Frugal, prodigal, introvert, extrovert. এখন কোশ্চেন করতে পারো স্যার আপনি পড়ায় যাচ্ছেন introvert extrovert বুঝছি না। Introvert মানে হচ্ছে যে ব্যক্তি নিজের ভিতরে থাকতে পছন্দ করে, কারোর সাথে মিশতে চায় না, নিজেকে নিজে নিয়ে থাকতে চায়, তাকে বলা হয় ইন্ট্রোভার্ট কোয়ালিটি। আর এক্সট্রোভার্ট হচ্ছে যে অনেক কিছু জানতে চায়, টু সি দ্য আনসিন, টু নো দ্য আননোন ইজ কল্ড দ্য এক্সট্রোভার্ট কোয়ালিটি। অ্যানাদার ওয়ান ইজ ওয়াক্স, ওয়েন। ওয়াক্স মানে হচ্ছে বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া। ওয়াক্সের আরেকটা মিনিং হচ্ছে মোমবাতি বা ক্যান্ডেল। ওয়াক্স মানে বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া, টু ইনক্রিজ। এর অপোজিট হচ্ছে ওয়েন, হ্রাস পাওয়া বা কমে যাওয়া। নেক্সট শ্যালো, ডিপ। শ্যালো মানে হচ্ছে অগভীর, ডিপ মানে হচ্ছে গভীর। রাইজ, রাইজ মানে হচ্ছে বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া, অ্যান্ড ফল মানে হচ্ছে পতন হয়ে যাওয়া। So, such way, if you try your best to memorize the few particular vocabularies along with the antonyms, so it will be easier than easiest to you to memorize the words. And most of the time, student would like to share with us, sir, we are reading vocabularies, but we can't memorize. Understand? Now, another way you can make your word understanding such way. Look at this, assassination. If anyone will ask you, what is the spelling of the assassination? What is this spelling? So we may stammer, we may feeling bird, assassination, A. We may mistake. So such way you can memorize the word assassination. Look at this, A+S plus I plus NATION. S plus I plus nation. তার মানে বাংলায় যদি তুমি এভাবে বলো, গাধার পরে গাধা, তারপরে আমি, তারপরে জাতি, হয়ে গেল assassination. A+S INATION। এই অ্যাসাসিনেশন মানে হচ্ছে কোনো ব্যক্তিকে লুকিয়ে গুলি করা বা আততায়ীর ব্যক্তির গুলিতে নিহত ব্যক্তি। মনে করে কোনো লিডারকে কেউ মেরে ফেলেছে গুলি করে, কেউ জানে না। Who killed him? Okay, this is called the assassination. He was assassinated by somebody. Understand? Such way. এরকম কিছু ট্রিক্স তুমি বের করে তুমি কিছু ভোকাবুলারির স্পেলিংগুলোকে মনে রাখতে পারো, এবং এইভাবে তুমি পড়ে such way you can memorize the main word with the antonyms, and this is very important for you while doing the IELTS courses, while appearing the university exam. You have to know many vocabularies to write some sentences. If you would like to do the ISSB, if you do the coaching of medical sector, everywhere, if you would like to speak as like a native speaker, your vocabulary power is must. We are learning various grammatical part. We are learning various story from the English past paper, from English for today, from class 6 up to class 12. But we don't try our best to enhancing our vocabulary power. But I request you to all to improve your vocabulary by dint of your hard labor. While learning any vocabulary, you must share with others, and that will help you to memorize the vocabulary. But it is human nature to learn something and to forget something. But we have to evolve some mechanism which way I can restrain, I can control my vocabulary power. It is you can able to memorize your vocabulary power. Dear students, I know you all are potentious, brilliant, but lack of enthusiasm, lack of work. But you have to do your work more and more. Understand? So do you have any question to me? You can ask me the questions. I will be very glad to take a question from you and will try my best to give you the answer. And this is my suggestion, at the time my advice. Please read at least English newspaper, your English past paper storybook, and see some video clips that will help you to memorize your vocabulary. And sometimes you can listen the TED Talks that will help you to enhancing your listening power. This is very important. We know that English has 4 skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. If you would like to improve these 4 skills, you have to work hard. You have to give your time. Understand? And to be a good speaker, sometimes you don't get anybody for practices speaking. Please stand before the mirror, speak yourself, and look your gesture and posture, look your action of lip sync, in which your articulations, your pronunciation, and pronunciation is the factor. Try our also at the same time we must try our best to learn the right pronunciation of the English word, especially. Such an example, if I say college, this is wrong. The foreign speaker, the native speaker, they are saying college, and they would like to elaborate their words their own style, because every mother tongue is a divine gift. Understand, everybody? So I hope so you have understood my today's class. If you have any query to me, you can raise a question, and again I will try my best to give you the answer. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.